Hi there. Welcome back to my channel, my friends. If you are new to my channel, my name is John. I am from Romania and I like to talk about online entrepreneur and make money online. Before I start talking about the strategy that I am about to share with you, I want to tell you that I am posting weekly videos in this topic. And before I start show you the strategy from today, I want to tell you, if you take a tour of my channel, you may find some things useful. You can help me with a like, and the algorithm of YouTube will show this video to some other people. Comment down below if you start make some money on the internet or not. You can consider subscribing with a bell notification on so I can alert you whenever I bring another value video to you. So let's get into the video. First, I want to tell you little bit of information about first platform that we are going to use. First platform, it is called Skillshare.com. Here is a place where millions of people come and pay to learn online about any topic in the world, from design to business, Facebook ads, and everything. I am not going to tell you to sign up as a student because you need to pay every month that you want to learn. We are here to learn how to make money, not to give them. So you need to come over here and create a free account, but a teacher account. I know you may say, but I really do not know anything so good so I can teach others. No problem. If you watch this video until the end, you will see how simple it is. Let me show you another similar platform called Udemy.com. I am telling you, those two are the biggest platform for teaching and learning. After you finish the course, which I am going to tell you how to do it, you publish this course on this two platform. That all you need to do, because the promotion and traffic to your course, everything it is done from their part. Isn't this great? I am telling you, after this video you will create a lot of courses and sell them. So let me show you a hack that not everyone know about in Udemy.com. Go to Google and search for Udemy.com. Here you will find a lot of courses for free or for few dollars, but it is definitely worth it. Why is that? Because you need to search for a course that you know a little bit of information and like a little bit. Find a course, let's say about affiliate marketing, download it for free to your computer. Not only you will learn value information from those guys, but this way you have an idea how you should create your course. And what can you do not to work a lot? Create a YouTube channel for free and go and upload that course from Udemy.com. Go to those three dots and open transcript. Copy the transcript in Google Doc. Go to spinbot.com and paste the text there. Click I am not a robot and this tool will reword the whole text. Now you need just a screen recorder to record a screen while you read the text that you just made it. You can bring the text into your smartphone in PDF format. And you read from smartphone and you do something inside your computer like that guy from Udemy does. And here it is, your course ready to publish and ready to make money passive for you. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like my video, hit that like button. Comment down below what you think about this type of business for beginners. Feel free to look around the channel and you can consider subscribing. Share this video so other people just like you to see this video and learn something. John from Romania. I wish you all the best.